Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure you're logged into the correct Spotify account. This ensures the change applies to the right profile. Once done, open the Spotify app. Desktop provides full control, mobile works too. Make sure your photo is a square JPG or PNG and under 10 MB so it uploads cleanly. Now navigate to your profile. Tap your avatar or name at the top. This first step gets you directly to the place where you can select or change your image, saving time. You'll now actually change the picture. Click or tap the current avatar, then choose Upload Photo. On desktop, a file picker opens. On mobile, grant access to your photos and select the prepared image. Crop strategically so important parts remain centered, because Spotify often displays your photo in a circular frame. After cropping, hit Save or Done. The app will process and show the new avatar. Make sure you see the updated image before moving on, since that confirms the upload succeeded. To finish, verify the change across devices. Refresh your profile or restart the app so cached data updates. This ensures other users see the new image. If the photo doesn't appear, check that it's JPG/PNG and under 10 MB, confirm a stable internet connection, and retry the upload. If problems persist, log out and back in, or switch from mobile to desktop. Sometimes one platform handles uploads better. That one troubleshooting tip usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.